right, so we are working on fractions and decimals because they're same, right? Synonymous, just in different forms. And we're working on the decomposition of one whole into hundredths and representing that with a tape diagram. So when we're looking at what we're going to be doing, you should be on your blank meter tape diagram. We are going to try doing, let's do 4/10 plus 7/100. Now, how do I represent 4/10 in my tape diagram? Nicholas?
We're going to do 7
4 boxes, because this is already split into tenths, correct? Oh, yay, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're looking at 7/100. Oh, no. So if I wanted to split this into hundredths, I would have to put each group into tenths, correct?
Correct.
So that means that I'm going to have to draw 9 lines in here to represent hundredths as if these were all split into tenths. It's a small box, but we can do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many do I color in?
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, there's an easy way to do this, and there's a not so easy way to do this. But we'll do both, because why not? If I'm going to count, I'm going to start by counting by tenths, because that's what my denominator is telling me, right? So 10, 20, 30, 40. Is this a complete box?
No.
Hard to tell with my terribly drawn lines, but it's not. It's 40, and how many hundredths?
7.
So we would write it as 47 hundredths. Now, if I were going to write that into decimal form, it would be 0.4 or 0 and 4/10 plus 7/100, which would be a 0 and a 7. And then if I added those together, that would be 0.47. There's another way to change a fraction, and that's to make it the same denominator. So if I wanted to make it a little harder, maybe I don't want to draw a tape diagram, you could just do 4/10 and change it to have the same denominator as the hundredths. What do I multiply 10 by to make it 100? Bailey? 10. And what I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator, the top, the big bad one. 4 times 10 is 40. 10 times 10 is?
100.
Are our denominators the same now?
Yes.
So we can add them together. 40 over 100 plus 7 over 100 is 47 hundredths. Great job, guys.